Hello, this is Michael Tillinger, and welcome to the introduction of the One Small Town initiative. What is One Small Town all about? First of all, it is an integrated community development plan. Why is it an integrated community development plan? Because it's a system in which we support each other. Every business that we start supports the other businesses that are owned by the community in every possible way, with ingredients and components and services and everything we can put together so that we ensure that our businesses that belong to us, the community, are supported on every possible level. People of our town choose to work together. We cooperate and collaborate in starting new businesses, fixing our town, and anything else we choose to do. We beautify our towns, start community upliftment projects, fix roads and parks, and start many diverse businesses, get involved in arts, culture, sports, recreation, etc. The projects and businesses we start are across all sectors: agriculture, food, technology, engineering, healthcare, pharmaceutics, cosmetics, forestry, building industry, housing, education and training, arts and culture, sports and recreation, textiles, tourism, nature conservation, energy, communications, and so much more that we can do as a community that works together. What is the best size of town? Small to medium-sized towns, 3,000 to 50,000 population. But the size doesn't really matter, because ultimately it's up to the people who collaborate that make it a success, small or large. Our objectives: to turn small towns into places of unity, prosperity, and abundance for all the residents and members that participate. How do we do this? We achieve this with cooperation, collaboration, and a minimum of 60% majority profit share of all the new businesses that we initiate in our towns. Making our town as productive, innovative, and as wealthy as we possibly can for the whole community. We turn our town into a powerful cooperative labor force, where our community is our family. With this united labor force, we create an investment-friendly environment for people to invest into our town. Membership is free and voluntary. Everyone is invited to join. Just sign up on the website. Every member of an active town pledges to contribute 3 hours per week to our projects and businesses. In return, we become majority profit shareholders and receive a minimum of 60% of net profits of all the businesses we set up as the One Small Town Cooperative. You can choose where you want to contribute your 3 hours per week, or the OSD platform will allocate you to a specific site. For example, you may want to work in the One Small Town bakery, or the horse stables, or brick factory, or carpentry shop, or take care of the elderly, or tend to the community gardens, or the science lab, and so on and so on. All of this becomes possible in the One Small Town situation. Skills training is very important because all of this activity provides a great opportunity for skills training in diverse businesses, which ordinary people would never have the opportunity to experience. How do members benefit? Every contributing participant receives monthly and daily benefits from all that we grow, build, create, invent, etc. What are the benefits? A monthly basket of food and goods, monthly cash dividends, and 1 Infinity token for every 3-hour shift. This means that a town of 5,000 participants provides 15,000 hours of free labor per week. 15,000 hours of our own free labor per week is equivalent to a company paying $720,000 per month labor costs. This free labor force gives us an unrivaled advantage over any large corporation. We can build, manufacture, or grow anything we choose as a united cooperative community. Every member is required to contribute a minimum of 3 hours per week to get all the benefits, but members can contribute up to 3 hours per day if they choose to. Members receive 1 Infinity token for every 3-hour shift completed, deposited automatically into their digital wallet. Infinity tokens are our own private membership reward system a very unique community token backed by our own labor and sweat equity. Every business is managed by the best possible management team. The rest of the work is done by our members as part of their 3 hours per week contribution. The People's Council will be voted in by the members. The Council will manage all the OST office and interests of the people. You don't have to live in an active One Small Town to be a member. Everyone everywhere can become a global member of the One Small Town initiative. Just sign up on the platform. Global One Small Town members don't contribute 3 hours per week, but they still get an account with a digital wallet. You can buy Infinity tokens instead of earning them and store them in your digital wallet and wait while they increase in value. You can send tokens or share them with any other One Small Town member instantly for free. Or you can trade them or sell them on the One Small Town platform to a willing buyer. We are creating food security for our community. How do we start? We identify what land we have available, reach agreements with local farmers, then we grow as much food as we need for ourselves, and we grow as much as possible for commercial sales and exports. In addition to food, a portion of all the goods we manufacture is reserved and distributed to ourselves as part of our monthly basket of goods. For example, like clothing, furniture, toiletries, technology, healthcare products, etc. Net profits are also distributed monthly to all contributing members equally. What is the role of investors? Investors provide the funds to launch our new businesses if necessary. Investors retain a maximum of 30% shareholding, but the community can fund their own businesses with their own funds where possible, without the need for investors. Net profit revenue split: 60% to One Small Town members, but it could be as high as 90% if the community provides the funding. 30% goes to the investor and 10% is reserved for the One Small Town local and head office for the operational costs. How do we protect ourselves from large corporations taking over our businesses? The One Small Town Council must approve the investors. They have the final say who they will accept as investors, who will get the benefit of their united labor force. Therefore, the One Small Town idea can never be hijacked by large corporations or one greedy investor. So any town of 10,000 people has a capacity to turn over $500 million or more per annum. This should be our benchmark when we identify what businesses we should start. This means that every member in a community of 10,000 participating people could receive thousands of dollars per annum just in cash dividends, besides the food and other goods and Infinity tokens. What are the benefits to the community, businesses and investors? First of all, no hostile competition. The whole community becomes your partner. The whole community is on your side, works together, cooperates for the greatest level of success. A united free labor force from participating members. Cheap components and ingredients from the integrated projects like maize and wheat and wood and milk and eggs, cotton and hemp and everything else that we create. An unmatched competitive price advantage for our products. Many other benefits like cheap electricity, clean water, healthcare, and so much more. The One Small Town initiative has unlimited potential. It's an entirely new approach towards reviving our towns, our economies, and our lives. A community-driven structure, a simple economic model that benefits all its participants. A model that unifies entire communities towards a common goal and fosters exponential economic growth potential. We are not waiting for anyone to save us. We are doing this for ourselves.